Hey guys, just walking Ursula right now, and today we're going to do a review on the dog poop bags. You hear me? The dog poop bag. Bag. Yeah, this dog poop bag. I have to say, the poop bags are pretty hard to open sometimes. So sometimes you have to rip it open or what just to get the circumstances of it being open. And this is my tip of opening it with one hand. She almost peed on my foot. So you take the bag, find that arrow, you just gotta play with it. Alright, see what I mean? It's tight. There you go. Boom. Stick your hand like that. Ta-da. Voila. And you got yourself an open poop bag like that. And that's how you can pick up poop and open it with one hand. So I hope this tips and trick, brought to you by this bag, poop bag. Follow that arrow and you're good to go. It was my mistake, Ursula. I opened the bag and I stuck my hand through the bag and picked up poop with my own hands, Urs. Now I know. Now I know.